Micro Center, because there's two different types of gamers. Ones that live near Micro Center and ones that really wish they did, and unfortunately I'm kind of the latter. So let's jump right into it. So let's do a quick unboxing of the GMMK Compact, see what comes in the box, see what we get inside. So you pop it open, the first thing you're going to see, of course, is the bare bones keyboard itself, and it's actually shipped pretty nicely. It comes in a little like sleeve thing, and then it shows you how to clean it, and then you get a nice sticker for a send for glorious gamers, and a delicious silica gel pack. And then underneath that, you get yourself a USB braided cable. It's not a coiled one, and it doesn't have the detachable connector in the middle, but it's actually still a really nice one for the price of $39.99. This whole entire kit was only $72. You can barely get a regular keyboard for that price, especially one with hot swap, RGB, and mechanical key switches. And then if you look at the keyboard itself, you can tell that it does have hot swaps, and it comes with stabilizers. They were pre-lubed. I ended up re-lubing them myself. And if you look closely, I don't think you can actually see it in this video, but there's little screen printed letters on where each switch goes. So it's pretty cool that they have that for new people. And then if you look at the bottom, it comes with a switch puller, and it does have a height adjustment legs, which the Pro actually does not come with. It's predetermined on its height, but the difference is that the Pro does have a full F key, and then it also has the directional pad. And also the Pro is all metal, where this is plastic bottom with a metal top, and that's the main difference between the two different kits. So all in all, for sub $73 kit, it is actually really good, but there's a few things I would change if you saved an extra couple pennies. I would change out the keycaps, mainly because unless you're learning Korean, they're kind of interesting, because you do have your English letters and then you also have the Korean letters. So if you're learning it, perfect. If you're not, kind of odd having there, but they do have shine through, which some do like. I'm more of a not having it. I like having it kind of glow around it instead of shining through, but if you like to shine through, they're pretty cool. I would also get a braided cable instead of just the regular cable. This is still a nice USB-C cable, but it doesn't have that style I like. I also don't like the fact that the bottom is plastic where the top is metal. It's just a personal preference, and most of the weight actually comes from a weight inside the bottom, because of, they wanted to give it that heft, and it keeps it on the table or desk, whatever you're using. I ended up lubing the switches. I didn't show you that on the film because it's kind of boring, but I could do a YouTube short on it showing you guys how to do it. Here's what they sounded before the lubing. Here's what they sounded like after. I'm more of a fan of linear, so I kind of got rid of all the clickiness of it. It is a nice keyboard for the price, for the budget. It does come with pre-lube stabilizers, which is nice. I had to lube up the shift, which is 9 times out of 10 what I have to do with all the glorious keyboards. For some reason, they kind of skimp out on the shift key particular stab. It's weird. I don't know why they do. But this is all in all a great keyboard for sub $73. It's insane what you can do if you're paying attention to clearance and the sales at Micro Center. I'm going to do the same type of keyboard, but from Amazon. If you're interested, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll compete them against each other. So if you're interested, always keep sub. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.